Alright, I'm going to show you how to rotate a figure using a compass and a straight edge and a protractor. So I have my compass here and my protractor. We're going to rotate this triangle ABC clockwise 120 degrees. So the first step I do is I put my point of the compass on P, open it up to A. I'm going to draw a circle or an arc. Let me get that better. I'm going to make it longer than I need to, just in case, so I don't have to redraw it. Next, I'm going to draw a ray from P through A. And then I'm going to use that ray to measure my 120 degree angle. I put the center of my protractor on P, my center of rotation. I line up the black line on my protractor with the ray I drew. And then I start at 0 and I go up to 120 degrees, making sure I'm going clockwise, not the other direction, counterclockwise. So I'm using the outer scale. Make a mark at 120, draw a ray through that mark, and where my second ray meets my circle is my A prime. So I'm going to repeat those steps with points B and C, but I'm going to do it out of order. I'm going to switch it. So I'm going to draw a ray from P to B first to show you that it doesn't matter the order, as long as you do the steps correctly. I put the center of my protractor on my point P, line up the lines on my protractor with the ray, find the 120 degree mark, draw my other side of the angle. Now I pull out my compass, and what I can do here is I put the point of my compass on P, instead of drawing the whole angle, I'm going to just make a mark. Open my compass from P to B. Instead of drawing the whole angle, I'm just going to turn it without making any marks until I get there. And that mark is the same distance from P to B as it will be from P to my new point, which is B prime. And one more time with C, draw my ray from P to C, measure 120 degrees, draw my other side of my angle. I'm using these two, so I'm going to do from P to C now. I make a mark. Right there is C prime. Last step, connect A prime to C prime, and A prime to B prime, and E prime to C prime. And you're done. If you really wanted to verify that you did this correctly, grab a piece of patty paper, of wax paper, trace over your original, and then rotate it to see if it matches your rotated copy. And that's how you rotate a figure using a compass and straight edge by hand.